Hello guys, I'm Princess Cotton Candy. I'm tired. I need to clean up this mess with the power of Henry Hoover. Let's do it. Henry Hoover done his magic. The floor is all nice and clean. Now let's put Henry Hoover in the corner. Before I sleep, I need to put my chicken nuggets in the freezer. Now I could go to sleep. Open the blanket up. The palace is freezing. I better call the help of Hoover kids. Henry Heroes, I need your help.
Oh no! Somebody called Henry Heroes?
Oh, it's freezing!
Oh, Princess, you must have left the freezer open. The house is frozen.
That's why I was shivering.
Don't worry guys, Henry Hoover can fix this. Activate defrost mode. Here, Spidey Man, plug this in.
Okay. I don't know
Defrost mode activated. Let's clear this ice up before the Yeti monster comes. Don't worry, Princess. The heat from the Henry will clear you up. Go clear that princess up. Go warm her up. Henry, we can do this.
Well, guys, I feel much better. Henry Hoover done his magic.
Don't worry, Henry always saves the day. Give me 5. Don't worry, if there's any other problems, call Henry Heroes.